Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to put Jeep Patriot in neutral. Begin by parking on level ground, engage the parking brake, and press the brake pedal firmly. If the shift lever is locked, turn the ignition to accessory to enable shifting. Confirm the selector moves freely into neutral and verify the parking brake still holds. Always keep wheels chalked when testing without engine power and follow manufacturer guidance for safe handling. Start by positioning the Jeep so it cannot roll and keep your foot on the brake pedal. Press the shift-release button and slide the lever into neutral, listening for the detent click. If the shifter won't move, use the manual shift-release slot near the console following the owner manual steps. Once in neutral, confirm by easing pressure on the brake and observing that the transmission no longer holds drive torque. If the shifter won't move, first check the battery and accessories as low voltage can prevent shift lock release. Use the manual shift release carefully and only with the engine off, parking brake set, and wheels chalked. Watch for dashboard warning lights or unusual noises when attempting to shift. These signs warrant professional inspection. Keep your owner manual handy for model-specific procedures and safety reminders before attempting repeated shifts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.